Some good tips on the subject of diabetes. Many people live with the health condition called diabetes. Diabetes results from trouble with insulin, and causes the body to have higher than normal blood sugar levels. Living with diabetes does not have to be hard. Use the advice in this video to help you live with diabetes. Apples are so good for you if you're diabetic. They give you something sweet to beat a sugar craving, and they're high in fiber, which will help you keep your weight down. They don't provide a large blood sugar spike after eating, so they can give you a ton of energy without causing you any health problems. To go trick or treating, or not to go? That is a very tough question for the parent of a diabetic child. The fact is that your child is never going to eat all that candy, or else they'll lapse into a coma. Instead, why not have a party at your house for all the kids in your neighborhood? Don't sweat the small stuff. Being a diabetic is hard, and you're going to make mistakes. If you eat unhealthily or forget to exercise, don't beat yourself up over it, because sometimes that's life. Do some deep breathing and forgive yourself for your lapse, then watch what you eat for the rest of the day and move on tomorrow. Green tea is an excellent tool for the diabetic who is attempting to lose weight. Studies show it helps your heart to stay healthy, and it's so tasty that you won't want to add any sweeteners to it. You can also use powdered matcha in cooking, and it's great with cocoa. A diabetic needs to take responsibility for their condition and their treatment. Therefore, it is up to you to ensure that you know absolutely everything there is to know about diabetes. Keep up on the latest developments in medical journals so you can ask your physician for any care you think might assist you. Make sure to take your diabetes medications exactly as directed. You are not a doctor, nor is anyone else giving you advice other than your physician. They tell you how often to take your prescriptions and how much you should take at a time because they know, so follow their directions. Swapping items in your diet for healthier options will help you keep your diabetes under control. For example, stop eating red meats and replace them with fish or poultry. A few nights a week you can even have a vegetarian meal and replace the meat entirely with beans or lentils. Remove the high-fat dairy and instead buy lower-fat options. Replace sugary or salty snacks with nuts or seeds. As stated before in the introduction for this video, many people live with diabetes. The condition is caused by the body having trouble with insulin, which in return results in the body having high blood sugar levels. Though living with diabetes can be a burden, it does not have to be hard, especially when you use the advice in this video. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.